guys, today we're going to be taking the Shithorse 6 liter over to Claytons to reunite it with the Shithorse. It's a 6 liter sloppy stage 2 cam, fresh coat of paint, Gen 4 rod, just waiting Pete to get here. We're going to load it in the back of his truck and get it over to Claytons. And as you can see, there's a lot more room in the garage. That is because the cobalt is gone. Not gone, but basically done. You probably won't see too much about it anymore because you guys don't like it. Good! Alright guys, we're here. We're here at Claytons. All the black Mustangs live. Hey.
Like, what the fuck is this? There's no way it's running at 20 to 1. Sometimes it's goofy. It's like it's got to warm up a minute.
Keep her going. That's good, that's good. Yeah. Keep going. You're good. And all of a sudden the thing just goes right to the ground.
This thing's coming together. Rob's working away on it.
I am. Getting her ready.
He wants to install it tonight, but we're going to do some tuning on that. Rob was doing it himself.
It's a new movie coming out called The Never Ending Tune.
Totally new for me, and I'm a slow learner. So
Riley's catching on to it pretty good though.
Wow.
Sure, but there's lots to it.
Yeah.
He's definitely learning faster than I am.
My plan for tonight is basically just to get ready to do burnouts. Because we kind of did that already before.
Burnouts?
When the fuel pump, that was the change, right? The fuel pump wasn't working good, and then once it was,
well, we thought it was working good until the wires caught fire.
Yeah, and then it wasn't working good. Now that it's, you know, running how it should and everything is good.
I upgraded all the wire size, the ground and the power. It was factory. It was too small. I should have changed in the beginning. But didn't, but now it is.
Yeah, it's a super common problem with putting electronic fuel pumps in tank ones in cars like this because the wiring just isn't made for, you know, something that draws that much. Riley was really trying to dial in the math table, and that can be really tricky, and you know, I can only teach him nothing. I had to learn basically to be able to tell him stuff about that, so he's probably done some learning on his own, and he's got it super close. He's trying to get it perfect. That's the problem. We're just gonna get it close enough so like burnouts can happen, and then if he wants to continue tuning it, he can just do that whenever.
Hands down and goes like this. Rubs his ass on it, push his hemorrhoids back in.
Size.
Push his hemorrhoids back in.
Just put a you know, beginning tune so we can use the V table and log that into the car through the HP tuners. So we're probably gonna go driving now and figure some stuff out.
All right, guys, we're still tuning the Mustang. We got Big Chief came down to help tune. If you guys don't have to deal with mosquitoes wherever you are, you're lucky because
Everybody's got mosquitoes, but they're extra dickheads up here.
but maybe some places they're worse. I don't know. There's it's just all of a sudden got dark and got crazy with mosquitoes. But we put the water pump on the Shithorse engine here, and a mosquito coil on the water pump, which you can't see because it's too dark, probably. And we got the coil packs on.
So get this, guys. We were trying to log the car for the V table. Me and Clayton, professional tuners. We didn't have the green plug on the HP tuners plugged in for one, and we didn't have the gauge in lambda mode, which we were trying to log. So
Wasted about a half hour.
professional tuners. When you guys, I actually shout out to the people that send Instagram messages, DMs, and I just saw them today because I never check my requested. I don't look at any of that shit. We're not professional tuners. We what we're doing, we'll do things for friends or if you really want me to, but I, you know, kind of regret doing anything like that anymore.
I don't know.
So, you know, I made the Shithorse run okay.
You're making big strides over here on Line
I
for
can make things run. I don't know. I'm like a guy that just kind of knows how to fiddle with a car to make shit work.
I just like your hourly
The
rate.
theory behind it, I have no. I mean, I try to learn as much as I can, but just so you know, guys. But still, like and watch those videos of me telling you what to do.
I vote for a new channel. Tuning with Mike.
I never say much about tuning. The harnesses, I have a pretty good idea what I'm doing. I know I know the theory in and out of that. Tuning, not so much. But anyway, we're gonna try and make this work.
All right, guys, they've done their super tuning, big cheap style, and we're gonna go for a little spin, which you can't see because it's probably too dark. Okay, guys, we're driving in the car right now. It's pretty dark out, so I don't know if you're gonna see anything, but just you could listen to the sounds of the LS engine.
Lugging along at way too lean, apparently.
There we go. Okay.
I mean,
do I turn around?
well,
I mean, it's staying constant. What's 1.4?
Mike made some adjustments, and we're gonna try this again.
Jet's on right there. Just rolling.
try and get some accurate data here.
Lean.
A little more throttle and it'll probably go.
And fans up, eh?
All right, guys, we're back in the garage. The Gurge, or whatever it is, place where you put your car at night.
If you guys saw that live stream clip, by the way, I misspelled it and I looked up and I thought, huh, that's funny, Garage. And then I was like, I'll leave it like that. That's the story of that.
So anyways, what we're talking about right now is look at these bugs. Look at this. This is crazy. What kind of bugs are these?
You're just garage.
Post in the comments what kind of bugs are these. Are they garage bugs, or garage bugs?
Ford bugs.
Or they're Ford
Coyote
bugs.
Those are percentages of the fueling, basically. Negative means you need to take out fuel. The positive numbers, as far as I know.
How do we pull that up as a?
Well, you copy the axis, I believe, and then you can go in here and just do some wizardry, and it'll just apply the percentages.
So what do you guys think? Post in the comments below. The car has decapped injectors, which are about 75-pound injectors. You think they're too big for an NA 5.3 with a cam? Post below and let us know, because we don't know. We think they should be good, but we're thinking they're pretty big, right? So you guys let us know, because you probably know more than we do.
Guaranteed.
Is it fucking raining or are those?
It's those bugs.
Wow.
They're making all kinds of noises over here.
They're baiting.
They're all over your Summit catalog.
Get out of there.
Not sponsored by Summit Racing.
Not yet.
Don't run over the cat.
Okay, here we go. Oh, there's that.
There's that bump.
Ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna watch your fuel.
Okay. That was about
It started out way better, but it ended up going fast.
yeah. That was about 20 degrees of timing.
That's it.
Yeah.
Wow. I don't know.
It felt better to
I
me.
was gonna say,
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure it felt pretty good.
A couple degrees helped, and more to
Jeez,
come.
If that's what 2 does, what's 6 or 8 gonna do? Keep mine were lamping on the nose.
Yeah, no, it seems to be getting better. That's good.
Or throttle.
We'll see if the rest of the cruise it maintains that. But the numbers so far on here seem to be a lot smaller differences. Way smaller, actually, in a lot of areas. However, 5500, the power enrichment kicks on, and we haven't tuned that at all yet. So,
Power enrichment's on right now?
yeah, well, past that point, yeah, because you're really only tuning. Wow, I mean, I guess you tune the B table up there too. I don't know what I'm doing. It wasn't lean.
That's pretty saucy though, like.
Yeah. No, it feels good in Planet too.
Wow. I haven't done that in this car yet. That felt pretty good.
I don't think it'll be a wheel hopper.
I enjoyed that.
That felt good. Well, let's end it off on a good note. We got a lot more tuning to do.
Never hung a rod.
We're gonna do this till 5 in the morning. Trust us. And make a video for you tomorrow. tomorrow. But
Look at that.
yeah.
Just a fuel visor.
Yeah, no, we got her down.
This thing's still gonna knock down 30 miles per gallon.
Dancing around 1.0 pretty good. Cool.
Oh wow, man, that's way better. Like that's only 2 more degrees of timing.
Yeah. Well, and the fueling's closer too, so.
11-second NA car.
Lots of shit on the table.
I hope.
As they say.
Thanks,
We
Mike.
check
I
you later.
I appreciate that.
Rob?
Check you later.
Check you later.
Bye.
It's like ghosts in here because it's so dark. But check you later, guys.